So we managed to install Sonoma on this 5,1 2009 5,1. We managed to install Sonoma OS, and we just a simple graphics card, and with this SSD, with the SSD 500 Kingston 500 gig Kingston SSD. So we managed to install Sonoma. So then we're gonna do the rest of these computers. Basically they're blank, they don't have OS, but they're working. It was being tested that these are working computers. So all I have to do is to install Sonoma on the rest. They're 5,1 and 4,1. Let's see here. CLX002 01, CLX03, okay, this is CLX01. It's a 4,1 2009, and it's got 28 gig memory, 4,1. Okay, we're gonna, there's no OS, there's no hard drive, so all you have to do is, I have a hard drive here, an SSD. I'm gonna put this SSD, this blank, and I don't know, I'm not sure how big is this, but we'll see. SSD. First step to convert your first step is to I basically grabbed the hard drive from my laptop, which is, this is High Sierra. This is the High Sierra hard drive, High Sierra OS, and I borrowed it. I borrowed the hard drive from my laptop. This is the laptop. I borrowed it. See, I borrowed the hard drive, and so I can use it to run my Mac. So again, I use this. Okay, now we're gonna insert the High Sierra OS from the laptop to our Mac Pro 4,1. So I'm gonna insert it so it will run. Now it's inserted, and I'm gonna also insert this new SSD so that we can install the Sonoma OS here, the brand new Sonoma. It's inserted. Also, folks, you need a hub like this, a very cheap hub to install your Sonoma, because I think they will find it would screw up the installation if you don't have this. This is the secret, folks. If you don't have this, a cheap hub where you can insert your NVME. I use an NVME open core installer. I'll connect the hub. I connect the hub to my keyboard and my mouse. So you have to connect the keyboard and the hub, your keyboard and mouse to your hub, inserted in the first slot there. So now Now you're ready to I'm gonna put this later on, but first we're gonna turn on this Mac first. Okay, turning on. Oh, by the way, I also make sure the internet, you have to plug into the internet. So I plug into the internet, power supply, and the monitor. I have the monitor here, so I plug into the monitor, and since we already have the VGA GTX 680, it's already been tested. This computer actually worked after I put the High Sierra hard drive on this machine. Okay, we are going to format this because we want to make sure that this is clean. Okay, we're gonna clean that. So we put the High Sierra hard drive from our laptop here, and now it's so this is the specs right now. High Sierra macOS High Sierra 10 version 10.13.16.6 Mac Pro early 2009. It's got a 24 gigabyte 1066 megahertz DDR3. It's got 4 gig of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 680. So we're gonna upgrade this to Sonoma, okay? The highest OS right now. Okay, I'm gonna insert back this disk, the SSD. I wanna make this machine faster, so I'm gonna need an SSD. Okay. Now it's inserted. First, I'm gonna format. I need to format. I need to format the disk. I'm gonna go disk utility. See if I can format it. Toshiba Mac. Toshiba, and what's this? Okay, Mac hard drive 748. Yeah. 748 gig. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna restart it again. It's not showing up. Okay, now it's showing our ADATA SSD. I'm gonna delete this first. I'll erase it. Erase. It should be APFS. Sonoma. We'll name it Sonoma. Sonoma. APFS and erase. I think I need to erase everything here. I think has been so basically we're just cleaning this SSD so we can install the new OS. Now it's clean. Now it's clean. Okay, basically this is the disk that's already clean. Okay, next step is to we are going to open our open core patcher. Open core. Open core patcher version okay, I'm gonna to the SSD. Okay, see. Okay, now we can return to the main menu. Basically, we just close this. But okay, rebooting. Restart. So this is the Sonoma Open Core Legacy Patcher. I'm gonna insert it to our hub here, the cheap USB hub. You need this to install. Okay, and I'm gonna restart this computer. Restart and we hold the Alt S. We're gonna press the Alt S so it can select which OS are we running. So we can run this NVMe drive. So we can select when it turns on. We just press Alt S. Okay? Press Alt S. It's not yet. Press Alt S. We're waiting. Okay, we're waiting. Now I'm pressing Alt S. We're waiting for it to read. Oh, see? I have to choose install macOS Sonoma. Okay, I have to click the other. Okay, I use the cursor and just enter it. So now this is blinking. It's reading now. See? It's reading. It's downloading. It's reading the Sonoma installer, okay? You need this hub, folks. You need this, I don't know what's the name of this cheap hub I bought. Because if you don't have this, it would screw up your installation. Okay? Yeah, this is an NVME enclosure, NVME USB drive. So now see, it's showing it's showing that so we're gonna choose using your mouse. Just click disk utility. So I want to make sure what I know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go disk utility again, and we're gonna install the new Sonoma to this. So we click the Sonoma. See, the Sonoma have it says 239 gigabytes. I want to erase it again just to show you how it works. So erase. Erase. Just to clean install it. Now it's erasing and it's done. I'm gonna close it, click close, and go back to install macOS Sonoma beta and click continue. Now we're in the installation screen. Click continue. Click agree. This is one. See, you choose. This is the Sonoma SSD. You choose the Sonoma SSD and click continue. Now it's processing. We'll wait for 25 minutes. Now it's just another 28 minutes. So we're here. We're gonna choose Canada because we're in Canada. Click next, continue. Continue. Not now. Continue. Not now. Set up later. Skip. Agree. Agree. Put password. Continue. Don't use. Yeah. Continue. Set up later. I like dark. Continue. Click OK. Root patching. Okay, return. I'm gonna restart it. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you what we have here. About this Mac. What we got here. $28 gig graphics. Don't worry about the graphics, it will change once I restart it. I'm gonna, So I'm gonna restart it. I mean, basically we have to shut it down. I'm gonna shut it down. Shut down. And I'm going to remove the hard drive. Now I removed the NVMe, the Sonoma driver. So I'm gonna remove the hard drive. This old hard drive, the old hard drive, because this is was it High Shira? And we just need this. We just need this to run. This is the Sonoma OS. I'm gonna put it in tray 1. So, see? Just the SSD. We're gonna use the SSD because SSD is fast. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. I still have to press Alt S, making sure that it's safe mode. We use the safe mode. Alt S. Now it's started. Safe mode. So this is the CLX001 computer. CLX001 4,1 2009 4,1, and see, this is how it looks like with Sonoma. I'll just gonna click enter, press enter. Now it's loading. It's loading. For the first time, it's loading now. This is the SSD. Okay, now we have it. Enter password. Entering the password. Keyboard assistant. This background. Root patching again. It's okay, we're just gonna let it do its thing. It's installing the legacy USB 1,1 NVIDIA Kepler. And that's it. Please reboot the machine, avoid potential issues. It's gonna reboot it again. Restart. Wait, I'm just gonna show you. What it is, what we have here about this Mac. So we have Mac Pro 2009. .26 gigahertz quad core Sonoma. Okay, I'm gonna restart it. Restarting it. Restart. Yeah, restart. Just to so again, we're gonna use the old High Shira from my laptop. I'm gonna put it here so we have an OS operating system, and also I'm gonna install the Sonoma here. Okay. I just need to put this SSD somewhere. Hopefully it would work. Wait, I need an enclosure. Maybe I'll put it in a... So I borrowed a tray from my other computer, and so I can put the Samsung SSD. So I can put the Samsung SSD. So we can basically transfer, so we can install the Sonoma on the Samsung. That's why, and we can just slide it. Now we have the SSD. I'm gonna connect the rest. Now we just repeat the process. I'm gonna install it right away. I'm gonna insert the driver, Sonoma driver, the open core driver right away, so that we can speed up the process. Because I already know that this would work. It's already been tested last night. So yeah, you need this hub, by the way. And I'm gonna turn on the computer and press Alt S. So basically we just shortcut it so that we can install the Sonoma on the CLX002 computer. We'll just wait for a beeping sound. I connected the see, it's beeping. Now we just, which monitor? I think I'm gonna, so I press this. Right now I have to select the middle, select the middle and enter. Now it's, this one is blinking. That means it's reading. It's reading now.